Divine souls, Namaste. Please welcome to Spiritual Health and Meditations. ದಿವ್ಯವಾದ ಆತ್ಮಗಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮುದ್ರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, we are starting with the mudras. The first one is the Hridaya Sanjeevini Mudra. Hridaya Sanjeevini Mudra. So, with the help of your forefinger, you can see this thumb, the line here. Touch it like this, index finger or the forefinger. Then the middle finger touch the tip of the thumb. The other finger, that is the ring finger, touch the tip of the thumb. The little finger, let it be straight. This is called as Hridaya Mudra or Hridaya Sanjeevini Mudra. So this mudra is very good for the heart. So those who have heart issues, I request you to do it 15 minutes twice a day or 3 times a day, depending on the blockage in the heart. So others can do this for 10 minutes a day. This is very beneficial. This can be done at any point of time. So both the hands like this. Okay. So this is Hridaya Mudra or Hridaya Sanjeevini Mudra. Okay, this is the first of the mudras, what we did today. Okay, next, see the right palm, the thumb. There is a chest pit here. So keep the thumb straight and the other 4 fingers like this together, pointing towards the left shoulder, and keep pressing. While pressing, I am happy because I choose to be happy. I am happy because I choose to be happy. I am happy because I choose to be happy. I am healthy because I choose to be healthy. I am healthy because I choose to be healthy. I am healthy because I choose to be healthy. I am perfect because I choose to be perfect. I am perfect because I choose to be perfect. I am perfect because I choose to be perfect. So this you can do it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So this acts like a pacemaker. You know the pacemaker are kept above the heart for the heart to take rest in case of if the heart is not pumping the blood properly to the brain. Now pacemakers are kept. If the heart is not rhythmic, if the heart is not pumping rhythmically, so pacemakers are kept. And this is where the pacemakers are usually kept. So when you are doing this, you are helping the heart. Now, how you are supposed to do it? See, this particular part of your hand, and this is the chest or the upper portion of the chest. See, press it like this, like this, like this, like this. Don't lift this part of the palm, like this, like this, like this. Okay, see, like this. Got it? Like this. It should be in an easy motion. Don't strain yourself, relax yourself. Sit and relax. This acts like a pacemaker. So your heart will tell thank you to you. The heart starts pumping ever since the fetus is 2 months, or the heart starts functioning ever since the fetus is 2 months. And the heart keeps on pumping till the last breath. The heart requires some rest, and this is one of the ways to give the heart some kind of rest. Okay, so this is a very, very good and simple pacemaker, a self-made pacemaker by you. Okay, this is the second one. The third one. This is the little finger, and there is a bone under the little finger. This is the ring finger. There is another bone here under the ring finger. Now, between the ring finger bone and the little finger bone, see, feel that with the help of your right hand forefinger. So this is to be done to the left hand, please. Okay, now apply pressure on the left side like this. Okay, for 30 seconds. So on the left hand, keep the hand like this, and you are applying pressure on the left side between the two finger bones. Okay, so you have to apply pressure like this, or you can keep on doing like this for 30 seconds. If you feel you are not able to do this, with the help of the thumb, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release. The point is here. The point is here between the two finger bones. Point is here. Press, release, or this one. Okay, so this is another one. Now the third one, or rather the fourth one. So you can feel this bone here, wrist bone. This is called as a wrist bone, left hand only, wrist bone. Now this is the heart, the lifeline. Lifeline. This is the lifeline. Lifeline is here, and this wrist bone is here. Now lifeline, touch the wrist bone and pressure, keep giving some pressure, put pressure, and circle it if you want like this. Put pressure with the help of the forefinger. Do it for 30 seconds. I hope every one of you can see this. Do it for 30 seconds. Okay, this is also good for the heart. So all these are good for the heart. This one, and this one, and the Hridaya Sanjeevani Mudra. So thank you all. God bless you and take care.